2 weeks before we went out, Bob had been nominated for a trip on Healing Winds.
I had never been on a sailboat. Wasn't quite sure what I was getting myself into. The boys went with us, had a wonderful time. Just sailing, the wind, the lake. It was great.
It was beautiful. It was a little piece of serenity.
Just talking with each other and having fun. Basically, worry-free.
We didn't worry about cancer. We didn't even think about cancer. It gave us a bright spot. It gave us some power. It gave us some healing. You just got to be.
Let's go get together and go have a good time for a few hours. Enjoy life.
It's the most freeing, grateful experience that I've ever had. We got to go and not think about anything but the moment that we were in. We didn't have to face a challenge. We didn't have to make a decision. We just got to be. My name is Debbie Smith, and this is my husband, Bob.